38. For the block shown above, which of the following is the best equation for describing the position x of t of the block as a function of time? Well, if we are to believe that this represents the initial position of the object, and this is the initial velocity, and especially if we are to consider that the acceleration is a constant value, then of course the model that we have is that this is a function of time of second degree, a t squared plus bt plus c, where a, b, and c are constant. In this case, this one relates to 1/2 of the acceleration. This one relates to the initial velocity of the object, and this one is the initial position of the object. Once again, if the acceleration is considered constant. Therefore, your best answer should be option E.